Hey, what's up everybody? So I have a Samsung Note 10 that I literally just bought, and it went through the washing machine. So that's pretty awesome. Nothing like throwing good money after bad, right? Anyway, I thought it might be interesting now that it's completely splintered itself, which is amazing. This thing got really hot, as you can imagine. So here's the back of the case. So this battery pack heated up, and I guess it's kind of ruptured or whatever. I don't really want to poke a hole in it right now. Here's your cameras. I guess the proper way to take this apart, there are little screws in here. Who needs little screws? Pretty sure this battery is completely shorted out already, so I don't think it's going to short out any more than it already has. Interesting. Very interesting. All these thin layers of stuff. It really is amazing just how thin they make things. I mean, sometimes I look at these items and I think, how the heck? Because I know there's some level of hand assembly going on here, you know? And sometimes I wonder, how can you even assemble something so fine and tiny? It doesn't seem like human hands would be very capable of this. I don't know, maybe they use children. Who knows? Jeez, that was a terrible joke. But probably not far from the truth. You know what I mean? Man, that thing is tight. Anyway, Samsung Note 10. Definitely not waterproof. Pro tip.